Hello everyone, you're watching PC Helper and welcome to another video in the Python 3.9 tutorial series. If by the end of this video you feel like you have learned something today, then please leave a like and also don't forget to subscribe to PC Helper for regular content. So in this video we'll be talking about how you can take user input in a Python program. So till now we have learned several concepts in Python including lists, tuples, sets and many other. But we haven't yet taken any user input in any of our program. So we'll be doing it in this video. So we already have a program on a screen, as you can see. A is equal to 55, B is equal to 99 and C is equals to A plus B. And we are printing C. So let's run this program. And when we will run this program, the answer is 154, that is 99 plus 55. But what if we want to take user input here? So let's try it. So there's a simple method used called input. And here you can enter whatever you want to show here. So enter, first of all, let's not enter anything here. And again take input. And that's it. So to take an input from a user, you have to use input method. But that's not it. So stick to the end of this video. So now we'll try to run this program. And now when I've run this program, as you can see, nothing appears here because now it is waiting for us to give some input here. So I'll first give input 78. Then I'll give input for B, that is 99. And the answer is 7899. But we didn't expect it. We expected it to add 78 plus 99. But what it did was it concatenated it. And this is something that happens in a string and not with integers. So let's see what's happening here. So now let's print type of this variable A. So let's print type A. So print type A. And now when we will run this program and stop and run, and when we will input the value, for example 78, now we are printing the type of A. So it is not taking A as an integer, it is taking it as a string. So what we have learned here is, by default, if we use input method, Python converts it into a string. So what we can do if we want to take input as an integer? It's really simple. We can just add int here before input and that's it. And now if we'll run this program, so I'll stop this program and run this new program. And now when I'll enter the value, now you can see it is taking 78 as an integer. So that's it. That's all what you have to do if you want to take integer input. So now we'll do the same with B, int, and take input. And this time instead of printing type, let's just take it off. And now let's run the program again and stop and run. And now let's see what happens. Now take number 99, enter 55, and the answer is 99 plus 55, that is 154. We expected it. So till now we have learned that if we want to take string input, then we just have to write input. And if we want to take integer input, we just have to write integer here. Also, to make a program more representable, we can just inside input, we can write something like enter your number. And again, we can write here enter value of B. So to make a program more representable, to tell user what to do, we can do such things. So now when I'll run this program, we can have this text here. Now it is telling me to enter a number. So now I'll enter 78. Now it is telling me to enter the value of B, and here I'll enter 66. And now the value is 154. So it is really simple. It is a really simple addition program. And one more interesting thing that you can do is, instead of integer, you can here write eval, and let's just take it off and delete it and just print B. And here you can do some interesting stuff. If we use eval method, we can just simply calculate things inside it. So let's see what it does. Now we'll run this program. And in this input, we can just write an entire expression like 99 plus 88 plus 99 plus, that's it. So 99 plus 88 plus 99 is 286. So if we want to do calculation while taking input, we have to use this eval method. It is really simple, but what happens if we take eval of this? Shift plus F10. Let's run this program again. Oh, syntax error. Shift F10, stop and run. And if we try to calculate without using eval, let's see what happens. And if we press enter, we get the exact expression and without any calculation. So if we want to take calculation, if we want to do the calculation while entering it, then we have to write eval. But if we just want it to print it as a string, we just have to write input. Whereas if we want to take input as an integer, we just have to write int before input. So I hope that's pretty clear. I wanted to make this video as short as possible so you get more time to practice it more and more. As we discussed in the first video of this series, that is the introduction video, that's how we'll be approaching Python throughout this course. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.